In today's video, I will teach you how to create a blueprint effect from an image using Gimp. Let's get started. Creating a blueprint effect in Gimp is a captivating process that can transform your ordinary images into stylish and professional-looking blueprints. Follow these steps to achieve this effect. Begin by opening your desired image in Gimp. You can do this by navigating to File, then Open, and select your image file. Ensure your image layer has an alpha channel for transparency. To do this, go to Layer, Transparency, and add Alpha Channel. Now, select the Paths tool from the toolbox, or go to Tools, then Paths, or simply use the shortcut key B. Trace around the main elements of your image using the Paths tool, creating a path. Then close the path to form a complete shape. Save the path to a channel for future editing by going to Select, then Save to Channel. Then convert the path into selection by going to Select, then from Path. Invert the selection to include everything outside the traced area. For this, go to Select, then Invert, or simply press Ctrl-I. Then delete everything outside the selected area by going to Edit, then Clear, or by simply pressing the Delete key. Then deselect by going to Select, then None, or simply using the shortcut key Shift-A. If needed, resize the image by using the Scale tool. Now, select a dark blue color for the background. Then create a new layer for the blue background by going to Layer, then New Layer. Then fill it with the chosen dark blue color. Now, desaturate the image layer by going to Color, then Hue and Saturation. Then drag the saturation slider to -100. Apply edge detection to transform the image layer into a line drawing by going to Filters, Edge Detect, then Edge. Then change the blend mode to Screen. Load the image layer selection by going to Layer, Transparency, then Alpha to Selection. Then choose white as a foreground color. Add a white stroke to the image by going to Edit, then Stroke Selection. Then deselect afterward. Now, create a new transparent layer for the small grid pattern. Place it below the image layer, but above the blue background layer. Now go to Filter, Render, Pattern, then Grid to create a small grid pattern. Then adjust the opacity as desired. Now create another transparent layer for the large grid pattern. Then generate a large grid pattern by going to Filter, Render, Pattern, then Grid. Then adjust the opacity accordingly. Now save your project file in Gimp format for future editing. Additionally, you can export the image in a commonly used format like JPEG or PNG by going to File, then Export As. By following these steps, you can effortlessly create a stunning blueprint effect from any image using Gimp. Experiment with different colors, grid sizes, and layer adjustments to achieve the desired result. If you find this video helpful, make sure to leave a like and subscribe. And if you want to see more tutorials, turn on the notification bell to get notified whenever we upload new videos.